Hey guys, Ash here from C4ETech, and today I've partnered up with Vivo to unbox the new V15 Pro. So the V15 Pro is the latest in the V series and it comes with a lot of new innovations. Now, tech guys like you and me, we like a lot of things, but what about the common end buyer? To answer that question, I'm here at Poorvika HQ and I'm going to be meeting with Mr. Uvaraj, CEO and founder of Poorvika, and let's see if this phone impresses him. Let's see what he has to say. You know what? Let's get to it.
Let's do that, Ash. Hi, Ash. Ready for the unboxing? Yeah, ready. Good.
Let's get right down to the unboxing. So, Vivo V15 Pro. Let's open it. So first, there's a case included. So this is the V15 Pro. I love doing this. I think this back looks impressive.
Yeah, this blue color is amazing. It has a wonderful gradient.
It's not just the back. To the front, we've got a ultra full view display, which is basically a 6.39-inch AMOLED panel, and there's no notch.
Seeing a notch was actually entrance, but seeing without a notch is actually very beautiful. So that there's no entrance and it's full display.
Now, how Vivo's managed to do this full view display here is with this. How cool is that?
Wow.
Now, it's not just any pop-up camera. This is a 32 megapixel pop-up camera, the first of its kind, and I just like how cool it looks. I just want to keep doing this.
Nice sound, right?
Yeah.
And especially you think when you take a selfie in some crowded places, people are going to see what is coming out suddenly from the phone.
So talking about cameras, we've got 3 to the back, so 48 million quad pixels. Then we've got a 5 megapixel depth sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. From a software perspective, Vivo's gone with a super night mode here.
So how is this night mode different from other phones?
So here it uses pixel binning, so you end up with larger sized pixels, which results in brighter images. That's one of the things that they've done well. And another thing here is the ultra wide angle camera. So that's something I've always appreciated. I like wide angle cameras.
Especially when you take group photos, when there are some 20-30 people, this wide angle plays a very major role. So we're able to take everyone.
So the next thing is we've got an in-display fingerprint scanner here. This is a 5th generation in-display fingerprint scanner.
If you take all the previous phones, the fingerprint used to be in behind. So whenever I used to search for where is the fingerprint behind, it's going to make things more easier for the consumer.
The Snapdragon 675 that's powering it. First implementation here. So how important is performance to you, or rather, how important do you think performance is to people who are buying phones from you?
And now all the latest games are now together with too many things. And I think faster processor is going to be of much use.
So you think this is something that would connect well with the audience?
More and more.
So we've seen a lot of things about this phone. So do you think people are going to be excited for it?
Obviously, especially I love the selfie. And when consumers see the way it is going to pop up, people are just going to love it. And especially the way the phone looks very premium, and the vibrant color. Once you open the phone, the way it looks vibrant, the consumers are just going to love the phone.
And I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Mr. Uvaraj is excited for the phone. Are you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash, and I'm signing off for now.